Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix your SD card files not showing on Bambu Lab. So when you go ahead and connect your SD card onto your computer, which will look something like this, and basically of course you have drugged your model onto the SD card itself, you removed it and plug it onto your printer, it will not show up. Now this is a very common glitch on the specific models for Bambu printers, and basically it's has a really easy fix. Now these steps are going to be the same for the Macintosh or the Mac OS and for Windows computer. Basically you just want to plug the SD card back onto your device. From there, drag the file back onto the SD card itself, making sure that you have copied it properly without being corrupted. Now, once you have copied it the right way, the first thing that you want to do for Macintosh is to click on the SD card itself, and then you want to select the eject button. In our case, it's going to be this one. But if you're on Windows computer or Windows 10, most likely it's going to be on your system tray. So just click on the show hidden icons, right click on your USB or SD card and click on the eject button. From there, this will then eject the device without corrupting the files that we have imported onto the SD card. Now, the Bambu is very sensitive when it comes to this, so you have to make sure to eject it onto your computer, and from there you are basically good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.